Hi everyone, this is example number 1. So in this one, it is given that a sample of radioactive material contains, it has not been given, it should be given as 10 raised to power 18 atoms. Okay. The half-life of the material is given as 2000 days. So calculate the fraction remaining after 5000 days. So they are asking after 5000 days, how many atoms are left. So for that, we have this formula n by n naught is equals to 1 by 2 raised to power n, okay, where n is number of half-lives. Now, if let's say you would have been given that it's like 4000 days and half-life is 2000 days. So how will you find the number of half-life? You have to just divide 4000 by 2000, so you'll get 2. But here it has been given that number of days is 5000 days. So number of half-lives will be 5000 divided by 2000. So that will give us 2.5. Now in this formula, n by n naught is equals to 1 by 2n. Here you have to put n as integer like 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then you will get the exact answer of n. But here it is 2.5. But still if we will put it here, we'll get the approximate value of n. Not the exact answer, but approximate value will do. So n by n naught will be 1 by 2 raised to power 2.5. So calculate this one. You will get n by n naught is equals to 0.176. Okay. Means n by n naught is the fraction which is remaining after 5000 days. So that answer will be 0.176. Next part of the question is find the activity of the sample after 5000 days. So we have the same relation between activity, that A by A naught is equals to 1 by 2 raised to power n. Okay. So activity will be A naught. A naught is the initial activity into 1 by 2 raised to power n, that is 2.5. We don't know the initial activity, but we can calculate it. So activity is that initial activity will be lambda times n naught. Okay. But we know the value of lambda n naught. We know the value of n naught, but we don't know what is the value of lambda. So we need to calculate the value of lambda first. Okay. Now we have been given that half-life is 2000 days and half-life formula is 0.693 divided by lambda. So from here lambda will be 0.693 divided by half-life, and half-life is given as 2000 days. Okay. So this will give you the value of lambda. So it will be 3.465 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Now here, since we have substituted the value of half-life in terms of days, okay, so answer of lambda will be days inverse. Okay. Now we need to calculate the value of A. So A is equals to A naught. A naught is lambda into N naught into 1 by 2 raised to power 2.5. Lambda value we have calculated 3.465 into 10 raised to power minus 4, okay, into n naught value is 10 raised to power 18 into 1 by 2 raised to power 2.5. Okay, on solving this one, you will get 0.612 into 10 raised to power 14. But one thing here, we have kept it in days. We have not converted into seconds now. And to find the activity in SI unit, you have to convert it in seconds. So we had lambda as 3.465 into 10 raised to power minus 4. It was divided by days, so you have to convert days into seconds. So in day 24 hours into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So in place of 3.465, you have to divide also by 24 into 60 into 60. So our answer will be now our answer will come as 0.070894 into 10 raised to power 10 becquerel. So this should be our answer. Okay, thank you.